Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something pretty exciting. We will be testing the new Lumoz MCP Server inside Langflow. And if you're into generative AI or exploring how AI can interact with Web3, then this one is definitely for you. You might be wondering, what is Lumoz? Let's kick things off with a quick primer. Lumoz is a modular computing protocol designed to power AI, ZK or zero knowledge, and roll-up applications. Think of it as the infrastructure layer of decentralized AI and scalable computation. They recently launched their first MCP server, simply called Lumoz MCP, built on the standardized MCP protocol. It allows AI agent to interact with smart contracts and on-chain data using natural language. So you can check token balances, node status, and more just by asking. All of this runs on a decentralized compute node architecture optimized for things like ZPP request and efficient roll-up processing. This is pretty wild. Now you might ask, why does this matter? This isn't just a fancy toy. It's a major step forward for AI and Web3 integration. It's introduced secure and modular AI agent into blockchain environments. It's built with ZKP and roll-up first architecture, which means it's scalable and privacy focused. And most importantly, this is just a beginning. Feature upgrades will include smarter indent detection and expand tool support. So today's demo is not just a test, it's a preview of what AI-native Web3 system might look like. Alright, before we jump in, a quick word on Langflow. Langflow is a visual programming platform for generative AI. You can drag, drop, and wire components together. No code is needed. Perfect for phototyping and testing workflows like this. Alright, let's jump into the demo. I have opened Langflow locally. On the left, you will see the components panel. First, I'm dropping in a chat input to handle user prompts. Then I will add a basic agent. I'm using GPT-4o Mini as it is affordable and web capable. My API key is already configured. We will also add a chat output so we can see the agent's response. Simple, right? Now to the interesting part. Integrating Lumoz server. Search for MCP server in the components. By default, it uses a built-in fetch server, but we are going to swap it for Lumoz MCP, which you can launch locally using npx space Lumoz-MCP. Just make sure you have Node.js installed. Once it's running, point your MCP component in the Langflow to this local server, and don't forget to enable the tool mode in the agent. This is what allows it to use external tools like the MCP server. Let's head to the playground. I have prepared a few prompts to test out the Lumoz MCP server. What is the most taken balance in this wallet? I am specially asking for Moz, not Easy Moz, since Easy Moz is often staked or locked. Let's run it. The result is 450 Moz. That's absolutely correct. I remember this wallet holds a small amount of Moz and a much larger quantity of Easy Moz. Next, let me ask, what is the total number of Lumoz transactions so far? This includes everything like swaps, transfers, staking, signing approvals, etc. The response is over 2.2 million. That's a big number. This project was originally on Arbitrum but has migrated to Lumoz chain, which extends the activity. This is stunning. Now let me ask, how many total Lumoz verifier licenses have been staked? There are two staking types, license and token. I'm expecting license number here. And as you can see, the result is 74,527 license staked. That seems accurate and matches with earlier figures. Lastly, I will ask the following prompt, which was not giving me accurate response when I tested it for the first time. What was the total number of Lumoz verifier nodes? Nodes can run multiple licenses up to 500 per node. I run one node myself with 2 licenses and others have delegated to it. I have 20 licenses in total. Let's run this. It's look like the tool is mixing up licenses and nodes, returning the same 74,000 plus figure from earlier. Let me refresh. What is the total number of Lumoz verifier nodes? Let's exclude the Lumoz chain. Still the same result. So looks like the current MCP version might be confating licenses with nodes. A small bug, but worth noting. What we are seeing here, just the early version. Lumoz has big plans, smarter intent recognition, support for more modular tools, even tighter integration with AI workflows. All of this laying the foundation of AI-native Web3 apps where decentralization system and generative AI work together in real time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop your thoughts in the comment. As always, keep building cool stuff.